Apple is developing an AI-driven battery-saving feature for iOS 19, set to launch in 2025, that optimizes power usage based on individual habits. The iPhone 17 series, a new AI-powered battery optimization feature, is in the works. The iPhone 17 Air, a 6.6-inch ultra-slim model potentially replacing the Plus variant. At under 6mm thickness, the iPhone 17 Air's battery could be even smaller than the iPhone 16's 3,561 mAh unit. Apple reportedly aims to offset this with AI-powered smarter resource management. If everything goes right, Apple could still ensure all-day battery life with the upcoming Air model despite the compact cell. Apple's AI for battery optimization is reportedly being trained on real-world data, giving it a head start. This battery optimization feature in iOS 19, likely powered by Apple Intelligence, could set a new standard, especially for the A19 chip's efficiency in the iPhone 17 lineup. This AI-driven approach keeps the iPhone 17 Air powered up. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.